Okay guys, we're back here in the Philippines, Kuya Ben and myself, Kuya Sid. We are testing the aeronautics drone, and Kuya Ben is setting this baby up. So hopefully we can do a little post on getting this baby rocking and rolling here. We've somewhat come up with a call sign for the drone. We're going to call it Pilar 1. So Pilar is Pepe's sidekick here in the Philippines. So over here we got Pepe, which is my Jeep, my owner type Jeep here in the Philippines. And we're going to be taking off from the hood of Pepe. You can see right there Pepe's name. But yeah, Kuya Ben is preparing the equipment here. He's going over the directions. See how in the heck we're going to do this. So we're going to take a pause right now and get this baby together, load it up with some batteries, and we'll be right back.